This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christy Baumgartner. Welcome to your dream home. This fully remodeled solar 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home offers modern elegance and comfort in an unbeatable location. With a spacious open floor plan, this residence is perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. Step inside to discover the thoughtfully designed interior featuring a beautifully updated kitchen and bathrooms, and stylish finishes throughout. The expansive living area flows seamlessly into the dining and kitchen spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Rest easy knowing the home comes with an updated roof and AC, 2018, and solar panels for energy efficiency, 2019. The backyard is your private oasis, complete with a sparkling pool, ideal for relaxation and outdoor fun. Located close to Valencia College, UCF, and Highway 408, this home offers easy access to schools, shopping, and dining. Don't miss the opportunity to own this exquisite property in a prime location. For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Baumgartner at 407-716-3321.